Maya Weary from Mom. Hit your marks, Naya. Doing a great job. Love Mom. To Jacob Hilton from Mom. This may be your last year with Tri-Valley Band, but I'm sure Mr. Welker will miss your opinionated personality. I am so proud of you. To Deja Tolar from your parents. Proud of our whirling, twirling flag girl. Also to Deja Tolar from Nan. Congrats, good luck to my girl. And also to Deja Tolar. Aunt Dottie and Ann, Uncle Brad say, hey, hey, Deja K, twirl that flag, it's your big day. Good luck, love ya.
One that we didn't get, but we usually do, we're just gonna say again, is we always get one from Tri-Valley that says, ring baloney once, ring baloney twice, Ray-Wad, Tree-Valley, geez, that's nice.
All right. Drum majors, are you ready? Then sit back and enjoy the sights and sound of the pound, the Bulldog Marching Band.
of the longest continually running film series in history. The world's most famous spy, Bond, James Bond. Our medley includes the original 007 theme song and the popular ballad Skyfall, originally recorded by Adele. By Mr. Chris Evans, music arranged by Mr. Drew Bonner, and guard routine by Mr. Brian Ward. Officers are President Jacob Hilton and Vice President Brittany Geis, Secretary Jada Undrew, and librarians Emily Taylor and Vicki Bond. Thank you to the Tri-Valley School Board, administration, faculty, and staff for supporting music education. Thank you to the community for your continued support of music in our schools.
Thank you, Mr. Cameron Williard, for your spirited announcement skills on behalf of Tri-Valley Marching Band. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, give a round of applause to the Tri-Valley Marching Band.